click purchase orders. So first option is import, that you would upload your purchase orders by bulk with an Excel file. Click import and download template. And this is how the template look like. And we have some mandatory information is required, it needs to be filled out. And we have the instructions here, what is mandatory, what is optional. So let's go back here. So either the tracking number, order number is mandatory, one or the other. Same thing for the ASIN or MSKU. So if you're an Amazon seller, ASIN is mandatory. And you can scroll to the right, and product title, manufacturers, how many units you're going to be sending to. The condition is mandatory. The cost is mandatory. If you don't want to, give you a real cost, you can just go ahead and enter $1. But if you give real cost, then we will give you the profit and loss report. I'm going to scroll to the right. And the action, if you are going to be buying this purchase for FBA, the action has to be FBA, or you can just go ahead and select other options. If it is for Walmart WFS, if you're going to fulfill the order for yourself or your rep centers, it can be FBA. Location name, if you have set it up your WMS and using our service as additional for WMS, which stands for Warehouse Management System, you can go ahead and assign that location for your MFN inventory. All right, let's just go back to the previous page. So here we go. This is where you can browse the file. Go ahead and click the browse file and find the file we just fill out. So here we go. Give it a batch name. And if you haven't created a listing for this purchase order that we are going to upload, you can go ahead and click here, create missing Amazon listings. So that will create a listing for this specific purchase orders. But if you already have the listings in advance at your Amazon store, you can unclick this and now go ahead and click submit. So there we go. We just successfully upload a file for the items that you have purchased. And if you click this blue tile, you will get to see what is on its way. All right, so that's how we upload it by bulk with a file. Let's go check the options how to add purchase orders from your catalog. So click from catalog and we pull all your Amazon catalog. And you can just search by ASIN, MSKU, UPC, or title. So let's say by title. So there you go. So you want to just add these 4 items. And let's say your cost is 10. Here you go, same thing. As you can see here, some information are mandatory, and in this case, either the order number or tracking number is required. Let's go ahead and enter your order number. Now you can go ahead and create purchase order. Click create purchase order and click create. So there you go. We just successfully create a purchase order by adding from your catalog. And if you click here, the blue tiles, so there it is. So another and the last way to create a purchase order by entering the information manually. Go ahead and click create draft, enter your batch name as usual, click create, and as you can see here, it has created a draft that we are going to be adding item for. So go ahead and click the blue tiles. So this is where you can search by ASIN, UPC, or title. We will pull that specific ASIN from your catalog. Click enter, select. So you need to fill out some informations here as it is required. You also like to see some other additional fields. You can click here. Once you fill out the mandatory fields, now you can go ahead and click add item. It is added to the draft batch, and you can do the same thing, adding more, searching by ASIN. So same thing, fill out the mandatory information. Once you finish entering all the purchase orders one by one, now you can go ahead and submit the batch. So there you go, the batch submitted successfully. So this is the draft we have uploaded. You can go ahead and click blue tiles, and these are the items we have just uploaded successfully. So that is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this.